folks, I'm going to show you the review for the Packout, the Milwaukee Packout system, the rolling thing or whatever, from a child's perspective, okay? Just got this thing down to the Ace, the Helpful Place, and it was 450 bucks. It's got all these tools inside, and we're going to show you the review from a child's perspective. So open it up and see what's in there.
Okay.
See if you can get it open.
Which is empty because, so that's all garbage. So here's a battery charger.
Okay, battery charger. Batteries?
New blade for
what?
I don't know. A mini drill.
Mini drill.
Like a small drill.
So what is that thing called?
I don't know. There. Now what?
What does it do?
It does stuff.
Push the button on the side. Ha!
It's a drill.
Would you look at that? So that's it? That's all that was in there?
No, there's more.
What the crap is that?
But it's a larger size drill.
So which one's better?
I don't know.
Well, take a guess.
This one.
You say this one's better.
I
Okay.
guess.
He says this one's better, guys.
Should I put the battery
Yeah,
on
put the
it?
battery on. That one says it only has one bar on it.
Yeah, it needs to be charged. I'll open this one, I guess.
So is this like a commercial on YouTube?
Sure, I guess.
So it's like a commercial on YouTube for what company?
I don't know.
So is that it, or is there more?
There's still more.
What the crap is that? Seriously,
know.
what is that? Wrench?
Axe.
I think it goes to this. I think you put it on here. Like that, pal.
Same thing.
Ah, look at that! So it's like...
It's like...
So, like, is it a handle, or...
I think it's a handle that like goes like this, like right here.
Okay, keep looking. Is there anything else in the box?
Yes.
He said there's more. What is that?
So this goes to the blade. Goes to this. I think. Just goes in right there. It goes right here, but
You think it goes in here?
yes.
Where, like that?
Yeah, but I don't know how to go in this way. I don't know how to tighten it.
So you turn that like that, and you put it in. Okay. That's in.
Okay.
So you like this one?
Yeah,
Should we try cutting something like cutting this? Try cutting this.
okay.
Careful, don't cut yourself.
Like that.
Okay, sweet. What's that?
A grinder.
Grinder? So put a blade on there.
I don't know where your blades are.
You gotta tighten it up, pal.
This?
Yep. That's it?
Yeah, that's on.
Okay. So how are you supposed to grind now? What about this button?
Oh, that's just this.
Oh, look at that. So this has to be turned. So you push this down and you turn it like that. This goes down like that. Try grinding something.
Like what?
I don't know, grind like that box or something.
This one?
Yeah. So what's your honest review on it? What's your review?
It works.
So it works. So what's this thing?
Something to carry all your tools or something?
It's got a name, pal.
Packout.
It's a pack out? Okay. So put everything in there and explain to the camera what we have.
Okay, so we have this big drill.
Okay, so we got that big drill.
Smaller drill.
Smaller drill. But you can't start that up without your glasses. This is safety. Sally, pal.
So
You trying to shoot your eye out?
there's that.
Okay, so what's that?
The grinder.
So grinder.
Uh,
What else did it come with?
saw.
Saw? That's just not no stinking saw, pal.
Well, hacksaw.
Hacksaw, he says. Anything else?
There's this. This
Okay, that.
goes to the grinder.
Something. Look at that.
Goes to the grinder right here.
It's like a spark blade or something. I don't know.
So,
What else?
and with a battery charger.
Battery charger. Anything else, or is that it?
This tightener for the grinder.
Okay, tightener for the grinder. Is that it?
No, all these papers.
Papers are junk. Throw those. Throw those papers.
Hey, whatever you say.
Yeah, throw them. Yeah, like that. Throw all the papers, because those are useless, right?
I guess.
Yeah, they are. Who's going to read that crap? Bags.
Bags.
All that crap. Throw it.
Okay. And that's all of it. That's as high as it goes.
Then what do? You just roll it around, or what?
Yeah.
How many freaking tools do you think you could put in there?
I don't know.
Why don't you try opening up that with the saw?
The saw?
Yeah.
Sure. It is cutting.
So does that remind you of AVE or no?
AVE?
Yeah.
What is AVE?
I don't know, the guy on the YouTubes.
I don't know what that guy is, okay?
Okay, don't cut the bag. Did you get it?
Maybe.
Don't put your hand by the blade. Is that it?
Probably is deep down, yeah.
Okay, sweet. Like, seriously, how many chargers does the guy need?
This is your fourth.
This is my fourth?
Yeah.
That's not even a rapid charger.
There's the other.
So those are just 4.0s, right?
Yeah.
So that's it.
That's everything.
Now put the saw back. He's doing a tool review.
Okay.
I need some cookie dough.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's everything.
See if it shuts.
We can maybe put the light in here.
Okay, tell him thanks for watching, and that we'll see him in the next one.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.